What's up, ladies on Mushroom Tips? Bigger X Dickhead here, and I'm here with good old Brian Spielwell right here. And today we're in one of our OG spots. We just saw a cop go by, and like we're not supposed to be in here, so we're trying to keep it real low key. I'm gonna go ahead and do me a launch right here. But decided we can get them dope perspective ropes real quick and do a nice little trail ride through here with the Skydio. Launcher up right here. Yeah, matter of fact, this right here was one of the main reasons I wanted to come here. Just this spot, because with the drone view, it's gonna look so tight.
Yeah, with all the graphics and shit on the side.
I'm wondering if I should do a follow mode up here or a lead. What do you think?
I don't know.
I use lead so much because like I already have this looking forward, so I figure lead's like good to like get the back view. I feel like I can go faster with follow because with lead I have to like basically stay within the 25-mile-an-hour limit because it's flying backwards at me. But with follow, even if I go a little ahead, I'm still in its line of sight and it follows a little easier. So
yeah, you'll probably have to follow when you go up on this bitch too.
All right, I have to turn on all the privacy invasion real quick. All right, pre-flight check. All right, that's all I gotta do. Launch it, touch myself on the screen, no homo, and then we're good to go. All right, let's give this baby a test. Damn. Oh my god, I wonder if this is gonna go under the bridge. Oh shit. Is it that muddy in there? How's it looking in that bitch? Oh shit, it's like a mud fucking zone in there. We can go up that hill and around. Here we go. Here we go. Damn, the scary ass bridge. So we're supposed to have 6 fucking days of rain ahead of us, so that kind of blows asshole. Let's go around and then go that way. Damn, I never thought about how much the fucking rain would have flooded through here. Man, it looks so fucking gloomy that it gives this place like a really creepy vibe. Let's try this way. So there's like this big ass like water canal or water thing here that's like kind of out in the outskirts that way. I can only imagine that thing's gonna be fuller than a sack of assholes because of how much rain we've had. No trespassing warning danger. I think we're a little too far out for a no trespassing sign. Hey. Getting them fucking rocky road actions. Dude, I'll never forget about that time I went around that corner up here and there was literally a van with like 2 people in it, and it was the most creepiest, sketchy thing I've ever fucking seen out here. It looks weird right here, like everything's growing. Hey, does that look like it was on fire and it's growing back? I never saw fire there. That was weird. Damn, it's all... Oh shit, there's paraglider! Oh shit, hopefully the drone don't hit him. There's literally a fucking paraglider up there. And we're heading to where they land, so we could probably see them land when we get up there. Dude, how sick would it be? Oh my god, I just thought about this. What if a paraglider stuck that in follow mode, put it on them to follow, and then jumps off the mountain and has the fucking drone follow it all the way down to the ground? Oh my god, that'd be so dope. Well, no, actually, what if the battery died? And, oh, actually, that kind of sucked. I think when it dies, it goes back to its last location. So I guess if you jumped off the mountain, it'd be like, all right, it would know how far it is from its launch spot, and it would literally go back. Oh, here's the fun part of putting our bikes under the gate. This is the fun part where we put our bikes under the gate. All right, lead mode time.
I've done it before.
Dude, I had no idea that you could literally swipe up and there's all these extra things you could do. And dude, Droney, it fucking shoots out far into the sky and looks at you the whole way out and makes it look like the fucking thing. I kind of want to do that right now. Let me see. Droney. 3, 2, 1. And it comes right back. Oh shit, you got those wide bars. I got it lifted up in the back, you're good. And watch out your seat, watch your seat. Don't scratch your seat, and you're good. There we go, there. That's the joy of a Grom right there, baby.
Your stop rings, they fold too.
Yeah. I took my the knobs off on the bottom. I didn't know they just fucking twist off like a bolt. And it's already following me because it knew it came from my hand. I don't know how this thing... Yeah, look, it's already following me. And look, it even has an animated thing that goes around you. From my hand. Dude, it's real creepy. My lake's probably full. Oh shit, do they have a fire there too? All the shit's burnt. Somebody came over here and probably fucking busted some fire ropes. Man, how many of you guys would go? I mean, I'm sure some of you guys probably watching this have paraglided before. But I don't know, something looks freaky about just like jumping off of a mountainside and then just like, all right, let me trust this piece of fabric above me. I wonder if any of the dudes over here are gonna get mad because I'm flying a drone where like dudes with parachutes are coming in hot. Oh shit, he's coming in for the landing too. Look at that. He's literally fucking casing the mountainside. You guys probably can't even see it. I'm just talking about like something that's just an ant dick to you in the camera. Look at that guy. It's fucking dope. I like heights, but I have a fear of them. I don't know how that makes any sense, but that's how my dickhead rolls. Like, I love the view ropes from heights, but shit involving heights like that, like paragliding out of a fucking parachute, just jumping off the side of the mountain, that's a little freaky deaky for your boy. Alright, he's coming in too. I need to get here fast before I start. I'm gonna literally go through his fucking thing. It looks like his path. He's coming down. You guys see him right there? Dude, these guys are crazy. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? I just hit a rock. Like, really hard. I'm gonna do another droney. That's so sick. So I guess you could swipe it up. And look, boomerang, pull back to show the landscape. I don't know what the hell that is. Dude, there's something called boomerang even to pull back and show the landscape. I don't even know what the hell that is. Let's see what that does. Three, two, one.
I was about to rush us. Don't give that thing a knife.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude, it went around us, pulled back to show the landscape, and comes back in. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Dude, look at the speed. That looks crazy. He's going fast as shit. Oh shit, so there is a mode called joysticks where you can just fly it regular. I never saw that. That's cool. So there you go, joysticks. Quarter follow, offset back of subject. Oh, so you can offset us? Oh, that is sick. I'm doing quarter follow mode. 1/4 follow. So it's gonna come off at us on a slant. So like they get, oh, that's sick. That is sick. Oh look, there's one of those fucking code enforcement guys. So, I have to enjoy myself the most I can before 6 motherfucking days of rain. Oh shit. Damn, I need to go up to that observatory. I want to see whatever, because it says observatory, so I wonder if it has like a big ass telescope in that shit. Ooh, there's a good fucking wind breeze right now. The drone's probably fighting. It's like, come on, man, it's running fast. I'm gonna go fast. 27 miles an hour. Oh my god, it's actually going. 28, 29, 30. I'm going 30 miles an hour. Oh shit. 30, 30. Oh shit. Probably gonna blow my tire out doing that. So what's your synopsis of the drone?
That thing is crazy.
Is it way smarter than you were expecting?
Dude, I was watching it when we were coming right here by the power lines now, dude. And just, it's looking at you and still fucking going around it. That's so crazy.
Oh shit, it's landing in 30 seconds. So it lasted all the way to 3%. Damn, they know what's up. So you can see why the ease of use, I love it. Because it's like you launch it and you just have fun. You don't have to worry about like it crashing and shit. You just have fucking your moment. Alright, I think it's time to head home and drink some beer.
Before this damn rain.
Yeah, I know it's gonna rain. It's like getting dark as shit. This is anti-Cali weather. Well guys, that's gonna get and conclude this little video. If you'd like to check out my buddy Brian, channel name Brian Spielwell, I have it in the pinned comment down below. And as always, if you get yourself a Skydio, make sure you use that code. Get yourself 100 doll hairs off of that bitch. And then have an autonomous Skynet drone following you around. It's the funnest shit ever. But that's going to end it there. As always, all links are down below if you want to support me on Patreon, get one of my shirts, keychains, decals. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the out of that like button. And you guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later.